So, hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, because I don't know what time you are watching this video. So, the thing is, right now, I'm very sorry I won't be able to upload the part 1 of this video but I still want to explain. I've explained this. This is blue, this is light blue, this is yellow orange, this is light brown, and these are black inside. I'm gonna show you a little bit drawing part over here and over here, and after this is a full coloring video. Okay, it's on the same nature. So yeah, I have took sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm taking a black pencil and I'm gonna outline it. I've already outlined it the half. Now I'm gonna outline the rest. So I'm sitting outside, that's why you might hear some crows and stuff, but no. Ignore it. I'm gonna put some music, background music, if I could. This is drawing on Save Nature right now, and if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm again sorry that I'm not able to upload the first part 1 of this video for some reasons. And now another thing, this part over here, don't ever not even go onto it. So some of my paints came over here, it's like a bulk of something, I'm not sponsoring anything. Please don't go in this part. This happened when I was painting the something I even uploaded on my channel. You can just go and see it. I don't even remember what it is of. So yeah, I'm doing an outline of the tree. So when we'll color, I'll meet you. So, and I'll finish coloring this in 3, 2, outlining 1. So I've already finished it. Now this line over here, center line, let me tell you how I did the center line. I folded the paper into 2 halves and then I made a center line. So now I will take a ruler and color up the center line. I'm gonna now outline this earth part. See this, now when outlining you could even know how I draw this, like see, I gave like that curve and then like that and then stopped and then like that and then like that and then like that I went. See, simple. You could take an idea while I'm outlining for your drawing. Today I seriously do not know what's going on with my paper because I got even on fan, but I think it's too breezy. That's what it's happening. I really do not know what's flying. See, still now I put in the ruler, but still it's flying. I don't know what's going on. So this I have outlined almost everything. Yeah, everything. Whatever I brought, I've outlined. Now I'm gonna do some coloring over here. This side, you know, I have to even do some coloring this side. This is primarily red I have used over here, and this I have used two browns, and using a earbud or cotton buds I have blended so it's come to something like that. I'll give you a closer look. Okay, closely it's not coming perfect on camera, but yeah, but still it's can be seen. Okay, now this I have not blended properly still. Now I'm gonna blend this and I'm gonna show you the blending part. So for blending part I have earbuds. Okay, these are already used. I used this blue for here and this also for there, and this red for here, you know, here. So I'm going to take this part and here it goes. This is the way how I blend. You could even use a tissue paper or a blending stump if you have. So whatever material you have, you could blend with it. Okay, now it's not blending properly, so I'm gonna use a little bit more black to blend it, because there's still some white that can be look, you know. So yeah, I guess so guys, I always ask you that how many of you guys are in army, how many of you guys are in army, because I am an army. Army means not the type of an army, BTS army, okay? Because I asked this question, you know, if you've been in army you would understand. Because I really want to know how many armies are there in this world. Now to color over here, the shades of yellow and orange. So I'm thinking which orange should I choose. I'm again telling you, I'm not sponsoring anything. Orange, watermelon orange. Actually I don't know what I'm gonna choose.